Hey guys, a Wonder Chick here, WAY News, and I'm here to tell you about an awesome event that's coming up on October the 16th. This empty field is going to be full because the One Way Motorcycle Ministry is sponsoring the Harvest Train Ride, and it's going to be for the Falcon Children's Home. So that day, this field is going to be full of vendors, food trucks, and there's going to be a special kids corner for all you kids. A special guest appearance by BB the Clown. So we want you all to come out, participate in this great event, and help support Falcon Children's Home. We'll see you there.